Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I'm gonna be unboxing. Is it this way? No, it's this way. A fidget spinner. And I got the color green. So, here we go. Oh, I just saw my dog. Whoa, that looks super weird. Let me do it again. Oh. I actually like these. And if you want to buy one, you could go on eBay or Amazon and they just search up fidget spinner and you'll find some of these. And just pick a color. These are fun to play with. And you could just you could do this like that, or you could go like this, or if you want to hold it like this and just go like that. Wait. You could do that too, or like that. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment what should be my next video.